Welcome back. Now we will see one of the very important algorithm in data mining, that is a priori algorithm. Now we'll see the steps in a priori algorithm. Okay. So first, before that, we'll tell you why we are using this a priori algorithm. So it is used to find out the frequent item set to generate the association rules. It is based on the concept of subset of the frequent set, and we will always find the rule by calculating a support value. So there will be 4 steps in the a priori algorithm. First step, determine the support of the items in the transaction database and select the minimum support and confidence. Step number 2 is we are taking all the supports in the transaction with higher support value. Step number 3 is find the rules of the subset that have higher confidence value than the threshold minimum confidence. Step number 4 is sort the rules as the decreasing order of lift. So now we'll see on problem. So this is the question. We have 12 set of data. So this is like a market-based analysis. Here the cases is, if the case number 1, a person who brought milk, he brought egg, bread, butter too. A person who brought, the second person who brought the milk, he brought butter, egg, ketchup. The third case, the person who brought bread, he brought butter, ketchup. So like this, different combinations are there. So what actually we have to find out? We have to finally get into a conclusion like the person who is buying milk, there is a chance to buy bread, or is the person who has brought the bread, what is the chance to buy ketchup on that? Like this, the combination we will find out, and according to the percentage, we have a confidence value and support value. Than this, we are getting the result is greater than this one, then the chances are more. Like this, we have to prove. Okay. So here come the step number 1. Step number 1 is we are finding the C1 and L1. C1 is nothing but it is candidate set. So C1 is, here we can see C1, that means one item we are finding. So in the case 1, we can see milk. So how many milk is there in this? We have to find out the how many person brought milk. So here in this we can find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 are there. The probability to person buy milk is 9. Next, egg. Egg, how many are there? 3. Then ketchup, find out from the set, we will get 3. Cookies, we will get 5. Bread, we will get 10. And butter, we got 10. Okay. So like this, we got the candidate set. Now, next we are comparing the frequency with the support count. In this question, they already given it has to be less than 4. Okay, that means the numbers which is coming 1, 2, 3 we have to avoid. Sometimes it will be greater than, less than, or equal to also. Then 4 also we have to avoid. But here it is like greater than, right? So 1, 2, 3 we have to remove. 4 we can accept. So now here we can find out egg and ketchup. Okay, egg and ketchup is what happened? It is like it is the count is less than 4. So we can remove these 2. So remaining we got milk, bread, butter. So what we got exactly that we are writing down. This is called our K1 table. Okay, K1. Sorry, it is L1 table. L1. Okay. The first one is called our candidate table C1, and this we got L1. What we done means we are remove the item which is not properly coming as 4. Then we got this step. Now step number 2 is we have to find out C2 and L2. How we are finding C2 means as per the number 2, 2 combination we are getting. That means we will get a combination of milk bread, then milk butter, then milk cookies, then bread butter and bread cookies and butter cookies. Okay, like that, 2 combination we have to find out. That is step number 2. Okay, we'll clear. So now goes, okay. Yeah. Now this is our step number 2. We are finding C2 by using L1, and like again we are repeating with the frequency item set. Now see here, from that we got the 4. Now from that 4 we got this many combination. So milk bread, from the, again if you see the transaction list, in this milk bread how many we have to find out here. Milk bread, and here next yeah, milk bread, then here milk bread, here one, like that all the combination we have to find out. So we will get 7. Next, milk and butter. So milk and butter how many? We will got it. Again we will get 7. Now milk cookies, bread butter, butter cookies, bread cookies. Like that we have to find it. So again the same step we are repeating, that is like L2. How? The number which is 1, 2, 3 we are removing. So we will remove butter cookies and milk cookies. Okay. So remaining we got 4 combination. This is our L2. Okay. Now, the same way we are continuing with how many combination? 3 combination. That is our, yeah. Yes, that is our, sorry. That is our C3 and L3. C3 and L3. So 3 items set. So milk, bread, butter. Okay, milk, bread, cookies. Because we got 3 things, right? So 3 items, how we'll make milk, bread, butter. Then, take the pen. Okay. Milk, bread, butter. Okay. Then milk, bread, cookies. Then bread, butter, cookies. Then milk, butter, cookies. Like this we got the combination. So from that again we have to see from the list, and we will get like this: 6, milk, bread, cookies 1, bread, butter, cookies 3, milk, butter, cookies 2. And which are the items we will remove? So these all will remove. We got only milk, bread, butter. So we will like conclude like the person who is buying milk, surely there are so many chances to buy bread and butter. So how many association rules we can make from these 3 item set? We have to go next. Okay. Now now next we will go with the, yeah. Now finding the association rules for the subset. Here onwards, we are doing the calculation. Yeah. So here we have a item set. How many? Milk, bread, butter. 3 item set. We got 3 item set. This is called I. Okay. From these 3, how many subset we can make? That is, we are mentioning the letter as yes. So from these 3, I can make the subset as milk, bread, butter, then milk, bread, milk, butter, then bread butter. Okay, that means we will get how many combinations? We will get 6. That means 6 subset we have to. That means in our problem there will be 6 rules. In these 6 rules, how many will be valid? How many will be invalid? Now we will find out. So for that, 6 rules, how we will make means, say this is the like association rule making. Yes tends to I minus S. So what is yes first one? Milk, right? So milk tends to, from the item set milk, bread, butter, correct? I, what is I? Milk, bread, butter. I minus S, what is S? Milk. So milk, bread, butter, we are removing milk. Then what will be? Milk to bread and butter. Okay, so rule number 1 is milk to bread and butter. Okay, understood. Next is rule number 2. Next, what is it? Is bread. So we will write bread to milk and butter. Okay. Rule number 3, butter. So butter to milk and bread. Then here, milk and bread. Now my S is milk and bread. So here instead of S, I will write milk and bread tends to, from the I removing milk and bread, what is the answer? Butter. So rule number 4 is milk, bread to butter. Next, rule number 5, milk, butter to bread. Okay. Rule number 6, bread, butter to milk. Like that, 6 rules we will get. And how to find out that rule we got. Now, how to find out that is according to this formula. What is support divided by support support of yes. Support of I divided by support of the yes. That is a formula. It has to be greater than minimum confidence. In this question, the minimum confidence will be given in the question, confidence and support. Okay. Confidence and support maybe is given in the question. In this question, support is not there. That I will tell you how to find out the support. Sometime in the question, maybe they are given support and confidence. So both the things, support as well as confidence, both has to be greater than the value. What we are finding, that value has to be greater than or equal to the confidence and support which is given in the question. Okay. Now, yeah. Now here what I told, support is not given. So how to find out the support is, this is a formula, support count divided by total transaction. In this question, we told support has to be 4. Okay. So 4 divided by 12. That means 0.33 in percentage 33. So minimum support has to be 33. Okay, that is not in the question. So we will find out by support count divided by total transaction into 100. So we got 33. So in this here, what I told, minimum confidence has to be 60 and minimum support has to be 33.33. Okay. So now we'll go for the first rule. First rule is milk to bread and butter. Okay, milk to bread and the final answer only I am written here. Don't be confused. Milk to bread and butter. So the support is, okay, we will find out the support and confidence. Support is I divide by total transaction. That is the formula. I means whatever, for bread, butter, milk. How many times came bread, butter, milk here? This one. How many? 6. Okay, bread, milk, bread, butter is 6. So that is, the support is bread, milk, all the 3 items divide by total number of transaction, that is 12. So for all the rows, support will be same thing. Support will be I divide by total number of transactions. So that is 50%. So here, according to our calculation, what we got 33.33. So surely all my association rule, it is more 50, right? I told all the rules support will be 50. So anyway, that is fine. That means support is it is valid for all our cases. Now we will find out the confidence. So what is the confidence formula here? What's confidence formula? Support of I divide by support of yes. Okay. Now support of I. What is I? I means all the item set. Milk, bread, butter. Divide by support of yes. What is yes? First subset here, milk. Okay, so this milk, support of milk. So milk, bread, butter, how many times in this? In this we have 6. Okay, so this 6 divide by support of milk. So here from where we will get this? So this one, the frequency of milk we will get from the first table. Where he is here, milk is 9. So we have to, if the items which having only 1, you have to see in the step number 1. So here 6 divide by 12 divide by 9 by 12, that is equal to 6 by 9. So don't want to write like this, just write like support of milk, bread, butter, always 6 divide by support of milk 9. So it is 66.67. So in my question, what is there? What has to be? 60% has to be. But what I got now, it is greater than 66.67. That is greater than 60. So this rule is valid. Which rule is valid? Milk to bread, butter is valid. Okay. Now we will go for rule number 2. Rule number 2 is, what is second subset? Subset second is bread. Bread to I minus S. So that means milk and butter. So bread to milk and butter we will see. Okay. So I told support will be I divided by total transaction, that is 6 divided by 12, 50%. That is same only, but still you have to write second time also. Then confident equal to support of I. I means milk, bread, butter divide by support of yes. What is the yes here now? Bread. So support of milk, bread, butter, that is 6 only fixed. Now support of bread means where will go? Where will go? We will go to the first table. Okay. We will go to the first table and support of bread is how much? 10. So that 10 we are writing here. Okay. We are writing this step, that is 60%. Now, rule number 3, what is yes? Yes means our third thing, butter to milk and bread. So support will be same. Then conference equal to support of milk bread butter divided by support of butter. From the first table again we got 6 by 10, it is 60% greater than 60. And rule number 4, milk bread to butter. Okay, so that is again support will be same. Support of milk bread butter 6 divided by milk and bread. Here you see milk and bread, two combination. Two combination support from where you will get? You will get from the second table. Okay, from here you will get, see, second two combination you are getting from here. So here you will get the value of milk and butter or milk and bread, or we will get from the second table. So milk and bread will be 7. So again it is 85.7, that is greater than 60%. Rule number 4, milk butter to bread. So again, support equal to milk bread butter divided by support of milk and butter. From the second table, you got again 85.7. Rule number 6, again, bread butter to milk. This is also 50%. Support is 50% and confidence is 6 by 9. It is 60. So now, these all are valid rules. That means we got 6 rules, and the person who is buying milk, surely he will buy bread and butter. The chances are 60%. A person buying bread, there's a chance of buying milk and butter, chance is 60%. So all these we have so there are all the combinations. We checked with all the rules. So we came to know this combination of bread, butter, milk is all the rules are supporting. There is the highest chance of buying all this. Okay. So now there will be it's a little confusing. Only this we have to see only here. This one. Yes means this subset. Milk tends to I minus S. Okay. I means this three, milk, bread, butter. So yes, first I have taken milk. Milk tends to, from here, from this I removing yes means you will get bread and butter. So milk to bread and butter. Second combination, bread to milk and butter. Okay. Next for butter to milk and bread. Then we'll go for 2 combination. Milk bread to butter. Like this we will find out. And support of I will be this milk bread butter. In the previous it was 6 only. So 6 divided by support of yes. Support of milk you will get from the first table. Support of bread will get from the first table. Butter will also will get from the first table. And 2 combination will get from the second one. And this you are calculating. And you will get all the rules. From that you will find out it is valid or not. Okay. This much only actually about the a priori algorithm. Hope everybody understood. Thank you.